This is acid. I'm giving you acid. Don't you want some more? Can you feel it? Acid in the air. Can you feel it? Acid everywhere. This is Hula, and I will make you rock your body. This is the ultimate acid track, and once you hear it, there'll be no going back. Everybody out there, jack the house. So many questions have been made about this new dance craze called acid. What people really want to know is how the story all goes about acid. This is acid. I'm gonna give you acid. This is acid. I'm giving you acid. The acid hits your soul, it makes you lose control of your body. Acid sounds so unique, you just have to move your feet when you hear it. This is acid. I'm giving you acid.